equal to say. So we have taken multiple caps only. That's F state after writing the variable. First one is mentioned, and then first variable is smaller, and second variable first value is capital. The same one is here. So we are continuing, and we can see the steps forward from here. Step by step, we are printing the value, the print parameter inside the braces, and after completing, we will try to run it. It's almost completed. 336 braces. We are mentioning underscore. So don't get confused that first I have used the student